apply for a driving license in Australia. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. In step number 1, check eligibility. Be at least 16 years old. It varies by state. Provide proof of identity and residency. Pass an eyesight test. In number 2, obtain a learner permit. Book a knowledge test at your local transport authority. Study the rules handbook for your state. Take and pass the knowledge test. Pay the learner permit fee. Get your photo taken for your learner license. Now practice driving. Display L plates when driving. Complete the required supervised driving hours. NSW QLD VIC 100 to 120 hours. Other states 50 to 75 hours. Maintain a logbook of your practice hours. Consider taking professional driving license. Step 4. Pass your provisional license test. Book a practical driving test. Take and pass the hazard perception test. In some states, complete the practical driving assessment. Pay the provisional license fees. In step number 5, serve the provisional license period. P1, red P plates, usually 1 year. P2, green P plates, usually 2 to 3 years. Follow restrictions such as passenger limits and power to weight ratio. Now, at the end, obtain your full license after completing the provisional period. Without serious offenses, apply for your full license. That's it.